As you build forms with Angular, you will notice that your templates get more complex. Now in this video, I have increased the font size, and for that reason, you don't see all the markup here. So we have to scroll to the right. However, on your screen, chances are you have everything in one view. But what I want to point out here is that as a best practice, your code should be formatted in such a way that another developer does not have to scroll to the right and to the left to see what's happening. So let me show you a cleaner way to write this template. We can break up these lines and list one attribute on each line. For example, consider this input field. We can add all these attributes like this, one on each line. And note that I'm listing all the validation attributes first, so another person, another developer reading this code, they know immediately what are the validation constraints of this input field. After these, I add ngModel, and immediately follow that, I add the name attribute, as well as first name set to ngModel. Now, we don't really need this event binding here. This is purely for this demo. And finally, we add ID, type, and class. Now, similarly, we can format our validation errors like this. So we have the parent div. I add all the classes here. And then ngIf. So here you can easily see this ngIf without having to scroll to the left and right. Now for each validation error, we can break it up like this. So I put the error on the next line, and this is much easier to the eyes, like this. So this is the end result, which is way cleaner than what we had before.